Welcome back to the channel. A little bit of a slow start today. Started working out again. My lower back is killing me. So today I wanted to fix a little issue that's driving me crazy with the car. And here, this door here. I don't really like that rattling sound. So I'm gonna take this door apart, see if there's anything floating around in there, and maybe do a little sound deadening in the door. Make this sound a little bit better. Let's get this door apart and take a look at what's going on. On a lot of cars, when you got to take the window out, they have certain access points for the bolts. So on this car, it's here and here. So when you see when the window's all the way up and you see little bolts sticking out, those are not that's not how you get the window out. That's what attaches the frame and stuff in there that holds the window in place. So you want to wheel the window down, and you'll see your little access points there. It's a little intense getting the window out of this thing. These cars are super hard to get glass for. It's not like I can just go to the glass guy and get another window if the window breaks. So I gotta be really careful not to break anything because they're getting kind of rare. So now I got the window out, I can start moving everything else, and then we'll start laying in some of this guy right here. This will help with some of that rattling. Make it a little quieter on the road. You guys can't see. This box here looks like it's probably been sitting on a shelf for a couple of years, because it has. This Dynamat stuff here, it's this really sticky Tarlac stuff. It adds weight, but this is really nice for soundproofing those doors, taking out some of that road noise that you don't want to hear. Plus it makes the stereo sound a little bit better. So it's kind of hard to mark a straight line on this thing because it's black. So let's use some of this roughly where we need it. still with me? So for this top one, I cut it into 3 sections because there's not a lot of access up in here. Make it easier to fit it all up in there. I want to cover as much of that outer door as possible because this deadens the sound, makes that thin Subaru sheet metal a little bit thicker. All right, let's get this guy in there. Okay, I got the door back together. Let's open it and close it and see what the difference is and compare both the two. This is the video without the Dynamat. Now this is the video with the Dynamat. So you can see it makes a big difference. This really thin sheet metal on the Subarus, it has a lot of vibration and makes that tinging noise, especially when you get everything all cleaned up and tight on the inside. There were a couple of spots in there where the ties for the door handle were kind of banging against the metal there, the plastic a little bit. I put a little bit of that Dynamat behind there just to tighten everything up. Now it's nice and quiet. Unfortunately, I got one more door to do. And if you drive a 4-door, you'd have to do this to 4 doors, which is terrible. These windows were actually really hard to get out compared to some cars. I mean, every manufacturer is a little bit different, but these were kind of a bear to get in and out compared to other vehicles I've worked on. But anyway, that's all I got for today. So I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.